Ooh.
Now what?
Guess what?
I'm scared. Alright, Vinny, your go directions. I don't know.
Hand it over. So what? We're still on the front. I can't wait for you to go over this footage and see how much you can't put in.
Half of this video is just gonna me.
I can't wait for you to edit this. Alright, well, we're gonna have to take that out. Entire 2-minute segment. Segment.
It's not supposed to look good, it's supposed to be functional. That steering stabilizer ain't going nowhere. Ain't going nowhere.
I can't wait till Steven has to take that off in a month because he ordered 1-ton steering.
What kind of broke mother do you think Steven is? 1-ton steering. Steven, what steering are you getting?
As of right now, probably the rock crawler, which is 2.5 ton.
2.5.
2.5. Steven's taking out the front drive shaft because he lives in the south now, so it's
sun-tinted.
so it's 2-wheel drive now.
A bit hard. Did I say that right? Ah, good boy.
Damn, look at that lift. We didn't even squat it. This is bull.
So imagine if I did 3.5, I would have just been so disappointed.
Steven, why do you have that?
It just makes sense.
Not only do we lift Jeeps here, but we teach Vinny how to speak English.
Oh, brand new in the pack, and we've been struggling. I love it.
You can't. You need more than one person. What do you mean?
You just need 4 arms.
Correct.
Yeah, 4 arms. As in F-O-U-R.
I would hope so. How else would you spell 4?
4 arms? F-O-R-E-A-R-M-S? 4, like...
I thought e-brakes usually lock just one wheel. Or is that not safe anymore?
Vinny, this is an highly over-engineered Fiat.
Correct. No, Vinny, what do you do?
My name's Stu.
I'm over here.
Vinny, you're still f***ing up. Even when I f*** up, that's awesome.
It's like a sponsorship. Sponsored by Milwaukee.
Right,
We love to have all the Milwaukee add-ons and batteries because they're such a great company.
You know, like, 10 people are gonna watch this video, right?
And one of them might be a Milwaukee employee.
One of them's gonna be my mom. One of them's gonna be Steven. You're not even gonna watch it.
Upper, Vinny, you got the upper ready?
No, you didn't tell me the measurement.
You didn't ask, Bucket.
I can't believe you guys don't like swivels.
They break. These things are great. And
My fucking head!
Vinny didn't record a piece of that.
I'm sorry, Stu. The fucking swivel didn't call me a week ago and like, hey, when you do that lift kit, I'm gonna fly off. All right, on to this side, right, Stu?
Vinny, I don't think you realize when anything was working, everyone's just an asshole.
You don't think I realize this?
No, that's what I'm saying.
Vinny, wait.
I think because all your friends have no patience.
No patience.
No
Vinny,
patience
down.
at all. So
I'm just the
Down.
optimist. All right, I'm going.
and you're just too nice of a guy.
I'm just the optimist, all right?
Me and Stu are mad hot.
No, we both get hits. I turn into a
Yo, that is tight, bro.
What do you mean?
Yeah, it's a squeaky weeks.
This is taking so long.
It's alright, I mean,
We have nowhere to
we
be.
have nowhere to be, Vinny.
Listen, I just want to make you look good, Stu.
Thanks, buddy.
I know you're in the market for a lady.
In the market or on the market?
Either or.
Or I am the market.
You were definitely not the market.
Pick up the axle. Pick up the axle.
Well, the reason we cut it right there is because the axle decided to slide off the jack. And almost, you know, chop Stewie's little Yeezys off.
Is that a mixture between feet and Yeezys? My feet
Yes,
or my Yeezys?
yes. For all they know, yes.
What the f***? Brings out.
Well, we're a little ahead of schedule now.
Alright, Stu, now put this one in. Put this one in,
Please?
please. Let me see those will fit in there.
I have 5 hours to drive home. Vinny has 5 hours to drive home. We both have work tomorrow. We were doing great until about lunchtime. So we had some lunch. It was a nice little barbecue, chilling. And then we come back out. Well, apparently, mid-arm kit means that there's this little Jimmy John. And this was already all assembled, measured in torque, Loctite. So we had to take it all out to get these in. And now we have to apparently drill a hole for this. The drill's about 1,000 degrees because like a 7/8 inch hole we need. So we're waiting for that to cool down. And until then, I'm relaxing on a box and a cooler. What a beautiful day.
Then I can hold it, and then that's it. I'll be tying, put on the bottom one, and then that's time. When this is done, I also have to get.
I have to poop. Wait, why is he wearing Crocs that say Drew then?
They're Justin Bieber's.
He thought his name was Drew. Would he steal his Crocs?
Justin Bieber's.
What? What do you mean? So, the bolt goes from there through to there, and this wrench needs to grab that nut. But unfortunately, it's not gonna fit.
That one's on two.
Which one?
The other side.
Well, the floor's on level, so it's gonna do that.
I'm going nice and slow. So we can really examine when it falls off the jack what we did wrong.
You know what they say, Jimmy? If it fits, it ships.
The level of sketchiness on this Jeep is rising the more and more we work on it.
It's really not that bad.
Vinny, can you do me a favor?
TJ?
No, you should have seen the TJ. Can you do me a favor? What? Can you grab me the battery off the grinder?
Vinny, can you do me a favor? Grab the M18 battery from the bag.
You got both ways blocked.
Sorry, we're working then.
Figure it out, Vinny.
Oh, here. Sorry, audience.
Yo, how's it feel having a light over there?
I need a half chicharra.
Like ASAP. Couldn't have been faster.
Saying that.
Still, you knocked over a Corona Seltzer. Stephen just threw the wrench and knocked it over.
So why'd you say stew?
One's right next to you. I figured you'd pick it up.
I'm busy. I know you don't know what that feels like.
Oh, yeah.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa. Why it's too damn bad?
Move the jack stand to the right towards me. You're a f***ing idiot.
To the right towards you, I just did.
To the right.
Ow!
That's towards Steven, you We made an executive decision. We're leaving at 3 o'clock in the morning, so me and Vinny can get to work tomorrow. We were supposed to leave at 3. It's 9:15. That's what friends are for. So we're gonna leave at 3 in the morning, so we can get to work. Steven's off tomorrow, luckily.
Oh.
That moves the location of the bracket.
Vinny, you want to sleep tonight?
No.
That's the spirit I like.
I don't even want to leave it.
No sleep team. Vinny wants to leave at 4 in the morning.
I'm currently summarizing a plan on how to do that work.
Look at this setup. We got the light now.
So you're blinding the f out of me.
T-minus 3.5 hours until I have to leave for Florida to go to work.
Jeep owners are idiots. You could keep that in. Self-harm's funny. You can't keep that one.
This is a one-day project, man.
Yeah, we started.
This didn't take us 2 days.
We started
What
on
are we,
Saturday
chumps?
morning, and it's Saturday night, and works tomorrow, and that's Monday.
We're getting paid a lot right now.
Killing.
Yeah, we're gonna have chicken parm for dinner. You done?
I hope so.
Man, that's all we need.
Yo, chicken parm smells mad good over here.
Smells so good, right?
I've been a little bit of a negative Nelly today. I don't know why though.
You do you. I'll do me. Nah. Together we'll be one big happy family. That was fire, right? Hey Vinny. What you know about rolling down in the deep? Vinny feels like an astronaut in the ocean.
I feel like an astronaut that needs to go to bed.
Good luck editing this. I can't wait to see your 19 hours of editing.
Interview time. Mr. Della Rosa.
How you making out?
Phenomenal. Why don't you run them through exactly what this lift kit is?
Where? What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So, currently we installed a 4.5 mid-arm Metal Cloak Game Changer lift kit. And this is what it looks like. This is a drop bracket for lower control arm and upper control arm. King shocks, reservoir adjusters. This is angle from the back. Same exact thing. Front and rear, extended brake lines, king shocks. Oh, drive shaft also. Drive shaft we had to take out because I need to add a drop bracket for the exhaust. So the drive shaft could clear the exhaust without rubbing. These are tires I have, 37s, Cooper SSC Pros. 13.5 wide. Can't wait to put those on. And the wheels are over there. Vinny, you're such a doll. Oh, this box never been opened before.
Jeez.
These are them.
Yeah, they are.
KMC beadlock 17-inch. All right, Vinny, do your honors. That's that.
It's coming to a close. It's been real. It's been fun. It's been real fun seeing you boys.
Yep. I had a plan to do a really cool outro. And it was going to be like us jumping in the pool at the end of the day. And then me swimming over to the camera and being like, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. We're not in the pool. But thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Turn on notifications.
Yes.
Because if you turn on notifications, you'll know
Correct.
exactly when my Jeep's running again because you will get the, you know, one hand feeds the other, if you know what I'm saying, right? Yep.
Correct.